My name is Letitia Edwards, and have been elated this weekend to attend the beach retreat with Rita Ricks. I've known Rita for, it's probably about 20 years, and we would talk on occasion. And just recently, I had been in conversation with her, and she told me about the retreat. I was telling her some of the life challenges that I have been having, and she convinced me to go, that I was worthy of it. And actually, I really was. I'm glad I did because I have gone through a lot with my family, my mother, who has dementia, and, along with life, a beautiful family. I have two amazing sons, husband that's been very supportive. And I have, I work full time. I'm a mom. Also, I have my own career, and it's been a challenge, trying to juggle everything. So what I've learned is through this process, I'm able to do away with a lot of things that have been making me feel guilty and holding on to that does nothing for me. So I would say I took away from this weekend on to do away things that aren't going to bring positive in my life, and moving forward with the things that are going to make me happy, and make myself accountable for making myself a priority. Because as a mom, as a woman, we always put ourselves last, and that's something that we should never do. And I'm so grateful that I came to this retreat because, like they say, people are in your life for a reason and a season. And this definitely was a reason for me to come here and meeting Rita Ricks. So I'm glad she's a part of my life.